Your child will succeed in maths only if he or she masters maths tables. Tables are the foundation of maths excellence, helping in speed and accuracy. To make your child learn tables, use flashcards. Place one flashcard around the house like study table, reading corner or room door of your child. Replace the flashcard every week with another flashcard until your child learns the tables from 2 to 9. But why are tables so important? They are important to do faster multiplication, division and fractions. So start building your maths foundation today. Join my coaching classes to learn more effective ways to master maths. Thank you. Happy teaching.